Hi, I'm Janina at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our creative expression eye kit warm tones.
Heat up your look with this full-size 4-piece multitasking eye makeup kit in toasty warm tones. Our 3-in-1 Cream Stay Shadow Sticks work as a primer, shadow, and liner and provide up to 12 hours of lasting color. Mix and match Canvas, a matte buttercream, Keepsake, a shimmer bronze, and our new hue Wicker, a matte caramel. Create graphic effects and winged eyes with our new Precision Liquid Liner in dark brown. Shade lids with Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Canvas, then blend to create an even base layer. Add natural depth to crease and lower lash line with Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Wicker and blend to soften. Top center lids and inner corner of eyes with Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Keepsake and blend with clean fingertips or a detailed eye brush for dimension and shimmer. Line upper lash line with Precision Eyeliner in dark brown for added definition. Try drawing liner past the eye line for an accentuated kitten or cat eye shape.
What I really love about this kit, other than what a great value it is all the different effects you can create with it, from subtle to statement and everything in between.